Wagwan guys, one of the peeps. Hope all are alright. You see me I say, and I wish everybody happy and pleasant day. Anywhere at all in the world, wanna watch from. Welcome back in guys, man. Welcome back to your platform. You see it and I'm ready and gears up to go up on another bird shooting and also common fowl hunt. Today we're gonna mixture. You see, so this is a mix hunting video and plan to do some cooking after the hunt and them things. You see it? So yeah man, there guys. So I say we don't really put nothing out in the bush now. You see it? So hopefully when we go out there we see something where we can shoot off. And that's what I say, cause when you come on to hunting, guys, hunting is something unpredictable in there. So I say, yeah man, you can't go out there and say, yo, I'm go out there at 6 I get 7 or 10. No. You get what you see. Cause at the end of the day, if you go out there and you don't see nothing, you not got nothing to shoot. So you not get nothing at all. So I say, yeah man, so hunting is all about opportunity, luck and marksmanship. So I'm there guys. And that's what I say. And I grab my rifle and I go and look for some. So here I go on guys. Please remember, subscribe, like, share, leave a few comments and keep it locked and stay tuned. So I say, yeah man, the hunting is gonna begin. Okay? Alright. But backside, look how far a bird can drop. All the way from far perimeter tree can drop. Weird thing so. You guys see, huh? Come like he when he drop, he run come like so. And dead so. Lego and drop man. That is a headshot. Lego. Boy, hold on on the limb. And drop. No, you blow. No, you blow. That conic is a white belly this in a peeps. Boy just pitch pan and ground, you know. See when him pitch, man. And just give it to him, you know. Yeah, guys. Yeah. See, boy, yeah. Take out my camera. I don't know. One shot, I didn't even get it. Oh, get it right underneath your right wing. Hunt not going bad, guys. Hunt not going bad at all. Them birds are full of meat, you know, guys. You see all the breasts? Oh my god. Pure meat, pure flavor. So the hunt is on, guys. I'm up on the hunt. Alright? Drop, man, drop, 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 drop. You get it? Drop, man, drop, 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 drop. You get it? You get it? Come on, time for you. Come down. Come down, man. And behave yourself. Come down. See, boy, the peeps. Hold it for yards and touch me from it. Let go now, man. Let go now, man. Let go, man. Let go. Drop no boy. What you say hard for drop, man? Let go now. Let go now, big one. My backside. You just keep holding on. No, sir. Try and shake that tree there. Alright. job, guys. Guys, watch a common fall. Watch a wild fall. Watch a wild fall. Let's see if I can get him. Alright, get him now, guys. Get him, get him. Hunt, we are on shotgun now, guys. And a hungry bird alone, me hunt, guys. Anything come across in a bush, and me can hold. Alright. Shotgun type of hunting now, guys. You see me? Nah, please eat. Anything you buck up on I can eat, I get dirt. Yeah, man. You don't mind buck up on one rooster and just lick that down in the idea and bring it home to an end. I go and see what I go and see. You see me, guys? If I see no wild rooster, I see I can get some more bird. You see? Yeah, man. So, you want to continue now, guys. You see it? Get shot, guys. Him up. And then we can go up on him. Then we can go up on him and finish him off. That may I pray. Oh, see me. You see, flatter gone now, so. Ah, and drop. See, boy, flat and can drop. Wait, then, so. Yes, guys. 2 shot we ain't get. A second shot put him now. See my peeps? Don't know, I'm going to give him a finishing shot. Finish him off. Because he's still a blowing. Give him a fatal one now, peeps. Alright, that is it. See, boy, guys. Big fat one. Now I got to do no more hunting, now, peeps. Yeah, man, see, boy. See, my guys. Now I got to do no more hunting, because you remember, say, it's a solo hunter, you know. And me alone can't eat so much meat. No matter how crave me is. So you are one, guys. You bird him. Let me shot. And in this command fall plus him. Yeah, man. That is it. That is enough. But what I do, guys, I just put the bird them in my fridge. Understand what I say? Put the next command fall in my fridge. And you see that one, guys? Yeah, man. I go make a meal out of that one. You see? I make a meal out of time, man. You see me? Nice meal. So here we go, guys. Remember that, guys. For all new viewers who just came across this channel, please go over and hit the subscription button. It's free. It's only going to take about a couple of seconds to subscribe. And please like, share, and if you want, you can also leave a few comments. So, guys, here we go. I make a walk. I go back on my ends, guys. So the next time when you see me, guys, yeah, man, I in outdoor kitchens. Alright, big up on yourself. Thanks for your support so far. One outdoors.